So this is the final outcome of the project. So this is the Cook Master Academy. Like the user can learn the cooking and as well as they can apply for certificate. Okay, and after participate in quiz, after getting marks only they can apply for a certificate. Okay, and while coming to admin, so admin is going to add cooking details like item details, how to prepare and all, and they can add events also. So first we will go with the login. So we are going to make with the admin login. So username admin and password admin. Okay, after this, so first we are going to make a add new course. So I'm going to add Hyderabadi biryani is famous Indian dish. So step spices is chicken, onions, chili flakes. Okay, so I'm going to give a YouTube URL link. So I'm going to select any one of the video and click on share, copy. Okay, so in admin course I'm going to add the YouTube link, and after that image, so copy link address. I'm going to add here and save and add quiz questions. Okay, so here we have it, quiz questions. So what is the main ingredient? Chicken, curry leaves, okay, coconut, I'm going to make potato. So correct answer is A. So add and continue. Okay, so one question is added. Okay, so we can check with the course also what is the course we have. Okay, so we can manage this and we can edit and we can delete here. Okay, so these are the courses and events. So I'm going to create a new event. Okay, cooking competition 2024 description, and I'm going to give, okay, so date 19 12 2025, time is 11. Example I'm going to give for suppose Bangalore. So event image, okay, I'm going to check here. So suppose I'm going to select, this, copy email address, and I'm going to give here and create event. Okay, sorry. So here we got why because so the link what we gave it's not valid. Okay, so copy link address. Okay, create event. Okay, event created. Okay, so these are the normal things which is done by the admin. So now we go to the view main site. First we are going to make a register of a user. Okay, so I'm going to give username, password, and create account. So create account created successfully. So I'm going to make login of the user. So here user login. Okay, so here we can browse courses. So already one course added by the admin. So view course.
Hello.
So
Hello.
YouTube link what we provided there. Okay.
Hello.
So it's going
Hello.
to play the video also. Okay. After that enroll now. So here he enrolled successfully the user. Okay. So once enroll done, what we are going to do? So we completed the video session or anything. Okay, so after that come to course upload and take quiz. Okay, so I'm going to select the answer and submit quiz. So we are done. Next, request certificate. Okay, so action. So we can view the action what we have done. Okay, so already the admin requested the certificate, and they can see the events here. Separate what are the upcoming events we have. So they can make a register to participate. Okay, so one participant already came here. So we are going to make a logout. Now we'll go with admin and we'll check that the certificates and each and everything is showing or not. Okay, so review certificate we are going to check. So we can approve or reject. So I'm going to approve the certificate. Certificate approved. Okay, events. So coming one participant is there in the event. Okay, so now I'm going to make logout again. Now I'll make a login of a user. Okay, so one certificate end. So you can download the certificate. Suppose in PDF file we downloaded. Save. Okay, so we can view the certificate here. Okay. So this is the certificate. Okay, so this is the overall outcome of a project. So events also they can see. Okay, and logout. So this is the final outcome of a project. To implement this project we use Python and Flask framework.